Based on quality, ingenuity for best, driven by technology, commitment to intelligent logistics, symbiosis in linkage, intelligent manufacturing for future. Inform Group, the international advanced supplier of intelligent storage equipment. Inform has been a listed company on the Shanghai Stock Exchange since 2015. Relying on development experience for over 20 years, we integrate resources and technologies with our strength and established factories in Jiangning, Lishui, Tianjin, Chongqing, and Ma'anshan to build a new industrial internet platform with storage equipment as the core, dedicating ourselves to becoming the international advanced supplier of intelligent storage equipment. We have established a top scientific research team to research and develop complete product lines independently. The research investment on automated product lines has been increased gradually, and we have mastered 4 core strengths, which includes the distributed control algorithm and method utilizing integrated microelectronic technology, laser navigation algorithm, 5G network communication, and WMS system supporting cloud deployment, and have researched and built intelligent storage robot systems comprised of a range of material handling robots on heavy-duty 4-way shuttle, mini-load 4-way shuttle, heavy-duty 2-way shuttle in rover shuttle, mini-load 2-way shuttle in shuttle car, shuttle mover, AGV, stacker crane, and WMS and so forth, which achieved sufficient national patents and national honors. Inform Automation executes the highly efficient and flexible order processing through human-machine collaboration, and then changes the complicated warehouse storage into standardized and expandable storage modules so as to support comprehensive solutions on high-density storage for emerging and traditional industries. We will not only help customers realize requirements on multiplication of capacity and efficiency and reducing cost, but also meet the change in customer demand from the perspective of supply chain, and thus accomplish the optimizing of logistics, personnel, information stream, and capital flow. With the excellent technical solution, product and service, Inform Intelligent Storage has established unique advantage in the region both home and abroad. Meanwhile, Inform Group applies advanced technologies to production field and allows each production process to become more efficient and scientific. We have imported fully automatic racking production lines and fulfill highly precise and flexible production. We possess 4 product series composed of high-density racking, ASRS racking, multi-tier mezzanine and common racking. By means of strict material selection, fine process and unique cost control methods, we ensure the product quality is stable and reliable and contribute to optimization of customer benefits. Inform's sales network is all over China. We have offices in Guangdong, Fujian, Shandong, Shanxi, Chongqing City, and many other regions. And whilst the products are sold across Southeast Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, America, Middle East, and etc. Our company expands online sales and establishes Inform new retail e-commerce platform to precision business in full market, meeting different customer requirements and realizing the channel diversification. In the era of industrial internet coming, Inform moves with the times in innovating, building the new storage equipment internet platform on high precision racking, plus storage robot system, plus operation service. Relying on product innovation capability, we serve industries on automotive industry, e-commerce, pharmaceutical, power, new energy, mobile communication, food cold chain, textile, and garment, and so forth, contracting to build more than 10,000 logistics warehouse automated projects, and win unanimous recognition from customers domestically and overseas through our professional expertise. In the future, Inform will continue to be in line with international advanced technology and constantly upgrade intelligent storage system in hot fields on intelligent manufacturing. Let's move toward a broader market prospect.